So hi guys, today I visited Aarey Vasundhara and she's my friend. We both visited there. It was very beautiful place. Here you can see various things, and this all creative and beautiful material show things were made by tribal people. It is of brand truly tribal, and you can see the most which I liked here was earring section and this keychain in this basket, as you can see, and these designs. And this is our plant gardening area. Here you'll find beautiful stones which are painted and made creative angry bird and statues. And here is equipments, and this is plant section, like nursery section, where you will get various flowers and saplings also. And in this we were searching for aloe vera plant, but that was, I guess, out of stock. So next which is coming, that will be taking. And this made my Sunday really good. I was planning to visit it, but it wasn't possible because of my office hours. So here's the beautiful pics which I collected, which I took. You can also visit here. Yeah, that's the end.